Whakalofa atu makau, camera's a bit close. Mawhala, ki manui ne whahitapu wangahau Niue. Happy Niue Language Week. Ko wau, mo Ari, mo Jackson, o mo tolu ki oira hu. Ke tause hawhangianga e whahitapu. At English Church, me, Ari and Jackson, we're off to Inga Mokale's church. My mum's got a video release to open up the Niue Language Week for us. So got my headpiece. This is my fofo made by the lovely Susana, GI's most finest, and got the kahoa. This was made by Susana as well. So it starts at 4 o'clock. It's currently 3:30. We're just getting ready. My mum's just asked me to do a takalo. As usual, I'm the takalo guy for my mum. Same old one, ko mau tolu nei, but just add a bit of extras at the start, you know, a little bit of extra flavor. So yeah, so this is a video release really of the Matua's one guy, Harry Poi. He's 100 years old and he's got his video release coming up. But yeah, that's all I'll say now. I'm driving, so I'll just keep an eye on the road and we'll catch up when we get to the place. Okay, to Philadelphia. We've just been through 2 videos. That was Halepoi and Sina Panama. Man, awesome vids, mitaki, some gems in those vids. You know, so if you're watching this vid and you want to learn something about Niue and lifestyle in Niue growing up, check out the vids online. Also, we did Takalo, we did the Takalo. Jackson jumped in, he was the only one that jumped in. And my brother Christian, Inga Mogale, the Reverend, and DJ, the DJ. DJ's not here, but that's good. Awesome, man. So now we're just having a little tea break, a little interlude, and then we're gonna, I think Sione Pai is up next. Oh, yeah. That's the DJ there. DJ, he jumped in. Apparently he's got a song coming out called Becca. Listen out for that. Yeah, and yeah, there's some people here. It's a good turnout. Good turnout. Yeah, so 3 more videos I think to go, 3 or 2, and then kai time.
That was nice. That was nice. Very nice. Yo, see, this is what I picked up from today. Nice bow. I didn't make it. That's really nice. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. But yo, whakawhalai atu ke mutolosi. Hea nei. Koe. Well, this week is Niue Language Week. Just want to throw it out there. Yeah, pretty excited. The events are going to look pretty good. Are going to be pretty fun too, and this is the week to get it done. So looking forward to it. See, I'm already rocking the gold jacket. Yeah, ready to go. I just need the blue part over here for the Niue flag. But well, as you probably are already aware, on that TV there, they launched the Niue Language Week and they played some videos. Some of the videos were talking about, you know, past history in Niue. And it was really nice to hear some of the things that some of the speakers used to do. But I thought that what was really nice was how they were talking about some of the basic like stuff being Niue, and maybe it's like going to the bush doing some work, and maybe it's like cooking at home, and also just catching up with a lot of families. Because here in New Zealand, sometimes I see some people, you know, they come to gatherings like this, but they don't sort of connect with the aunties and uncles. So some advice for each of y'all for this week is don't forget to say whakalofa atu to the people, and if it's multiple, then whakalofa atu ke mutolosi, and so on and so on, and so on. You guys already know. But yeah, looking forward to it. And if I see you out there in Niue Language Week, don't forget to say whakalofa atu. Heya, nene po.